what my heart desires each day. Each time my soul awakens new. To think of you is to be inspired, to fall in love again with you. You are the song within my chest, the reason every breath still flows. And when I lift my eyes to heaven, my spirit trembles, for it knows to a deeper place of closeness in communion with you, oh Lord. Take me beyond, take me beyond. Let my life flow from your anointing, from your mighty power, Lord. Take me beyond, take me beyond, to a deeper place of closeness in communion. Forever